This is tutorial number 41 and we're going to talk about the removed multi-section solid. Exactly like the previous tutorial, the multi-section solid, but this one is removing the material. So now let's start making a sketch or a block to use the removed multi-section. Let's use this and extrude it 100. So now we have this block, and let's create some sketches on this surface. We can make circle, the middle of that, exit, and let's draw another sketch here in this face. So also you can draw a circle in the middle of this block. We need to insert a surface or a plane as we learned in the previous tutorial. Let's click on this surface and go to the shape, generative shape design, to get this icon, and let's make an offset, this reverse direction, and make it 100. Preview. Okay, now we have a plane in the middle of that block. You can find it here. Let's back to part design, click plane, sketch, and let's make another circle. Let's make it smaller, exit. Let's make this circle smaller. Okay, exit. And now let's activate the remove multi-sections solid, or insert sketch remove multi-sections solid. Activate. From the right side we have the sketch number 3 is selected, the sketch number 4 and sketch number 2. Just make sure that the direction of the points are in the same, so need to change this arrow so we have the same direction. Preview. Okay, so now we have created the removed multi-section loft. In the next tutorial we're going to make a path, so the loft cut going to follow that path. So see you in the next tutorial.